This is my video. I'm going to talk about the song and consonant. The first is T. T is alveolar stop voiced. The example is tutor, tag, and trucker. The other is ra, ra. The is alveolar, approximant. The example is pure, rap, and relative. The other is the is alveolar, stop voiced. The example is dessert, door, discar. The other is alveolar, affricative voiced. The example is fossil, pesticide, and pencil. The other is la. Is alveolar, lateral voiced. The example is left, pilot, and wallet. The other is z. Is alveolar, fricative voiced. The example is noise, lazy, and Brazil. The other is is alveolar, nasal voiced. The example is novel, niche, and neglect. The other is is palatal, fricative voiced. The example is cash, pressure, and assure. The other is yeah. The is palatal, fricative voiced. The example is usually, conclusion, and measure. The other is yeah. Is palatal, fricative voiced. The example is sure, is approach, and measure. The other is yeah. Is palatal, fricative voiced. The example is ginger, stay, guiam. The other is glottal, fricative voiced. The example is hammer, hum, hair. The other is g. Is velar, stop voiced. The example is golfy, goldfish, and gap. The other is k. Is velar, stop voiced. The example is kick, speak, and mosquito. The other is labial, nasal voiced. The example is lamb, mum, and demon. The other is is labial, stop voiced. The example is pathologist, paramedic, and panelist. The other is is labial, stop voiced. The example is bamboo, behead, and baldness. The other is is labial, approximant. The example is window, wax, wiffly. The other is labiodental, fricative voiced. The example is prof, affair, and staff. The other is labiodental, fricative voiced. The example is best, vacancy, and village. The other is labiodental, fricative voiced. The example is author, think, and anything. The other is this is interdental, fricative voiced. The example is father, leather, and worthy. The other is is velar, nasal voiced. The example is bang, hunger, step.